pocket, man. Come on, kick me. Come on, kick me. Why ain't scared? Stay in the pocket. Yeah, now let me kick you. Stay in the pocket. Yeah. Get back in here. Stay in the pocket, Khabib. Good. Do it again. Ready? Hey, guys. What's up? It's Tony Horton Gracie. Yeah, you know who this fluffy hair guy is. Tonight, we're going to show you a couple of ways that you can counter some really tough combat sambo guys.
What are you doing? You're just gonna wear the blue belt with the red? Like, what is that trying to be like? Like, what are you doing? I don't know if you do or not. I'll skip the basic. Did you skip? Do you do leg muscle workouts and stuff? All right, so like,
yeah. See how big they are?
All right, come up a little bit closer. Okay, up, tilt your back. Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, what's up? It's Tony Horton Gracie. I'm out here with this guy. Don't worry about him. He's not even Brazilian. Tonight, we're going to show you 2 counters, 2 Gracie jiu-jitsu counters that can take a Sambo'ist down and put him out. Yeah, so we're squared off. We're doing some Valley Tudo in Russian. They call that Sambo, combat Sambo. So we're standing right here, fisticuffs, and I want to grapple and clinch him. But if I were to come in, maybe a Gracie tackle, and just try to grab him, I'm going to eat a mouthful of knees and maybe some strikes to my face. That his hands stay up. So the way that I'm gonna make sure that his hands stay up and his hips and back stay back so I can snag his leg is I'm gonna throw a couple of punches, because I'm gonna act like I'm floating like a butterfly, but more importantly stinging like a bee. No one wants to get a punch to the face, so they're gonna put their hands up. So I might throw a 1, 2, and that's my reaction to go when he comes down to snatch his leg. I throw my 1-2s. I'm not even trying to box with him. I just want him to put his hands up and block and lean back so I can snatch him. 1, 2. But what if he's a Krianate or a Polha, you know, a little bit of a wimp? And after I throw a couple of haymakers or blasts, he actually steps back. So when I go to snag, he's not in the pocket anymore. He stepped out of the pocket, or maybe his front leg steps all the way back. 1, 2, and he steps out of the pocket. How can I make sure that he's gonna stay in the pocket? A little bit of reasoning, a little bit of postures, sparring theories, and more importantly, I'm going to communicate with him. And the way that I'm going to communicate with him, just like I want him to put his fist up, I told him to put his fist up by throwing a couple of stings at him. Boom, boom, and after that, instead of me going straight down to try to snag, maybe I'll just throw a low roundhouse kick to his thigh. So I'll go boom, boom. I'm pretty sure his hands stay up. Boom, and now I've stung him right there. Yeah, he'll bring his legs up. Boom, boom. His legs come up now. So that's my cue. That leg's gonna come right up. He's gonna hand it to me on a silver platter. I picked it up, snagged it right up, and put it between my legs so I can go for my takedown.
They're really starting to chop now with the kicks. Both men coming out kicking. I'm gonna eat the other in order to win. Nice. Oh, that was so tricky, the timing of that, because he waited for Vernon to get into a position where he's gonna throw a kick that he shot in.
A lot of different ways I could take him down from right here. We'll go over that another time, another video. We're not going to get into it tonight, but I have him snagged up just for the sake of the argument. I'm going to grab him, and throw him into the cage. And bring him straight down. I keep that momentum coming. My thumb is down, so I'm gonna come all the way around and I'm gonna grab his lapel. Here's the next part of the Gracie submission counters. I've already passed them around. Now I come up, I have my thumb down, I'm gonna feed it right into the lapel. We're gonna go over the second part of the Gracie counter, the Sambo, and it's gonna be a lapel choke. And for two reasons. Number one, the only way my little cousin Royce Gracie ever got tapped out and put to sleep was with a lapel choke.
Ele está tentando virar de barriga para frente, só que estava muito justa a posição. E ele vai dormiu, cara, que loucura. O Schwein está balançando e vazando de ringue para acordar o cara.
Number two, lapel chokes are illegal in sport Sambo. I come on top and I feed my hand, thumb down, all the way down. Now I grab my own lapel, or my own jacket this time. I usually grab here for lapel choke. I'm gonna grab my own jacket and I pull myself down to the choke. So I come around, I hand the lapel out, thumb down, I come as deep down as I can. Now I snake down. Instead of grabbing the lapel or the shoulder, I'm gonna come up and grab my own lapel. Now as I fall down, I turn back down and choke. Holding his lapel, thumb down, I'm feeding as deep as I can, I'm coming as deep over, I'm coming back and I'm grabbing my own. Now, if I went straight down, it would just be this one. I'm coming straight down. So, to get this turn from right here, I'm going to keep that momentum going. I'm going to drop my head straight to his shoulder, not the mat. And that's going to give me my leverage and focal point to raise my butt, tuck, and run. So, grab, drop my head, raise my butt, tuck, and run. Okay, so variation number one, it went right. I did this sneaky lapel choke, grabbing my own arm for support. I pulled out, thumb down, I fed in, I came out, I grabbed, I dropped, and I choked. Variation number two, I go all the way out, but I can't bring my hand back in. Maybe he blocks, maybe this hand comes straight up, so it holds. So from there, all I'm gonna do is put that hand straight on the mat, bring this hand down to that hand. So I'll drop that hand straight to the mat and I'll put my elbow on top of my hand. I grab, boom, I come through, oh, where's my gi? I'll put the hand on the mat, I'll drop my elbow. Talk about momentum. The first one, I still have the momentum. That's why I can tuck my head and run across. I'm grabbing, I stop myself with my own arm, and I run across to get the choke. The second one, the momentum, I've stopped myself, now I just lower to the choke. The third one, he's caught on to it, his hand's right here, and he goes straight up. So I'm here, he goes straight up. Yeah, and he wants to pull me down. But guess what? His arm is right here waiting for an arm bar. So from right here, I'm just gonna step over, fall back, and I have one of the tightest Tony Horton Gracie arm bars that you're gonna ever see in Sambo. Ever. There you go, Narangesh. So there you guys have it. There's a couple of Tony Horton Gracie Jiu-Jitsu counters to change these players to do Sambo. But I got a message for you. You might see someone and think, oh, but Tony, their game is too strong. This guy's undefeated. Here's what I'm going to tell you to do. Just do what you do. It's been another episode starring me, Tony Horton Gracie. Just do what you do.